Hey guys, Mr. Riss here. So I'm going to help you guys out on the next part of the 114 activity. This is going to be part 5, correcting an error. So let's go ahead, open this up and see how this goes. So you guys can see here, we have an issue that we haven't thought about, but we're going to fix it. So sometimes you want to test a big condition, for example, and did you use enter the number before doing anything else in the programming? So what we want here is, in fact, this would probably be easier to explain if we show you a problem that we have. So I'm going to stop sharing this and I'm going to open up my app here that we've made. Let me connect it. See, is it still open or not? Why doesn't this ever work? All right, let's do connect AI companion here. QW J. Okay. So here is a problem that we have. Like right now we know, like if I type in, oh yeah, if I click the corner, Amazon always works, or Alexa always pops up. But if I type in a number 88, whatever I type in, I can click guess and it says guess lower, try again. Now here's the problem. If I type in a word and I click guess, how is that word gonna be? When we click that, I actually get an error on my screen that popped up. I'm going to show you guys that. So we get this operation less than cannot accept argument. So there's a problem. Somebody typed in a string and they didn't type in an integer. So what we need to do here is, before we go through all this guess, we're going to check to see first if that answer is a number. So we're going to do some work to fix that error to make sure we don't have mistakes that the user did. So each time the guess button clicked is activated, the program is going to use the isLogic number to check whether the input is a number or a string. So we're going to put an if statement here. So let's think about this here. So we kind of have a code layout that would be good to follow here. But once again, I need to save this as part 5. So save project as your name 114 part 5. So in this part here, we're going to be going to our blocks, going to our control here, grabbing an if statement. And we're actually going to put this all inside here. So, all right. So what we're going to do first is to check, is that a number? So math, and we got is number. And we're going to use the guessed input text. So this is saying, like, if the guessed input text is a number, then we do all the code that's normal. So if we have a guessed input that is normal, and then we need an else statement. So I forgot to add that on here. Else, what do we want to do? So we don't want it to just crash, right? We don't want to just give up. We want it to do something. So let's make the guessed input label go blank. So we'll duplicate, make it reset the guessed input. So where they can type in will go blank. And then maybe we'll say, like, the lower higher label, let's duplicate that. Maybe we'll tell it to say, pick a number this time. Please pick a number. So they know now, like, if I type in a wrong answer, it will go through. So we're going to see if this works. We're going to debug this to make sure we no longer get that error that user had before. So let me get my connection here, get my app going. All right. So let me screen share this so you guys can see what's going on. So I have my app here. It says, okay, type in a number. I'm going to type in the number 44. And let's see, can you see? It should say, oh, it says guess higher, cleared out. Now I'm going to type in just a random word. Now before, when I typed in a random word, it just caused an error and caused the app to crash. Now it's going to say, ooh, it cleared everything else. It says, please pick a number. And then try again, guess is left. All right. So this was good to kind of fix this now before we got into too much code. But you can see all we had to do is take what we had before and nest it inside of its own conditional statement. So we're moving and grooving, guys. Hopefully you guys are having fun with this and you can start to see the end of this project. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll see you guys next time.